16 and we're away, and we're at $1.2 million.
At this auction, buyers are bidding cautiously.
Please, if it's within your range, you've got to put your paddle up, you've got to bid. Last call here this morning.
Across the country, more houses are failing to clear at auction.
First call, twice now, 1,336,000. Third call, last call, bid of 16 has it. We sell, selling, and sold to you. Congratulations, sir.
But this sale shows despite affordability constraints, some buyers are able to scrape in during a slowing market.
Feels surreal, to be honest. Been looking in the market for probably last year. Missed out on one recently in a suburb not too far from here.
Nationally, prices edged up just 0.1% in November and 5.5% over the year. Perth led the monthly gains, followed by Adelaide, Brisbane, the regions, Darwin and Canberra, while Hobart, Sydney and Melbourne went backwards.
There's lots of indications that the downswing phase of the cycle is upon us. You've got rising stock levels and fewer buyers than this time last year. The clearance rate is also lower, and that's a really good indicator of where the real estate market is at. So the combined capital cities clearance rate has been holding below 60% for the past 6 weeks.
Interest rate cuts forecast for 2025 are expected to help ease pressure for buyers, but it could take some time for that to flow through to property sales.
A reduction in interest rates would help to stimulate buyer demand, put upward pressure on property prices, but unfortunately, that expectation of a rate cut seems to be getting pushed further and further out. In the short term, I can't see this weakening trend in Australia's housing market turning around. I think we'll continue to see declines in many of our capital cities and a slowdown in the growth rate for Perth, Brisbane and Adelaide.
Pushing into 2025, I do believe that we will still have that incremental growth month by month, but we may start to see a little bit more of a balanced market as well.
Well, it was an unusual plan, I would suggest.
In this so-called buyer's market, some people are looking to sell their homes without a real estate agent. Comedian Brett D'Souza tried that in 2023 by creating his own marketing campaign on YouTube, which included videos poking fun at agents.
So this worked? This got people to come look at your house?
Well, you got 20,000 views.
Brett says people didn't take his campaign seriously and he failed to follow up with those that did. He says he made rookie mistakes and ultimately had to call on an agent.
I'm going to take that 2% that I would have thrown away to the real estate agents and put together a little team, and I'm going to sell the house myself. Just not knowing the market and when is the right time to sell. I took photographs on my iPhone. Not a good move.
Despite the experience, Brett doesn't want others to be deterred from DIY sales.
I would advise sellers to just make sure they know what's happening in the market, make sure they understand the worth of their property, and then just follow up buyers.
Buyers who could have a better bargaining position in 2025.